Hey there. What? Hey there. Today we're back here with a blaster that needs no introduction. This is a bird of prey type LT. It's got a little bit of a longer barrel on it, but today we're testing out a 3-inch half-twist Merlin. As you know, short pistols don't like long Merlins, or maybe you don't. So we're going to see how this does. I'm not promising anything, but if it doesn't work out, we're going to try it on my Longshot too, see how stable we can get. Lock and load. See that hill back there? Yeah. I got a normal barrel there just in case this doesn't work out very well. Okay. Alright. Hoping this catches it. I'm hoping. Okay, we are pointing straight at the tree. So, yes, I'm pointing up, but it's to aim straight at the tree. It's kind of short for... Yeah. Try shooting the normal barrel good. Okay. So, let's see. Normal barrel, no rifling. Oh, to the tree. There's that. All in a tree. Shoot another one. Yeah, the bird of prey, as you can see, this if it comes out in the shot, and I hope it does, because the light's coming from that side, we have a good chance. The bird of prey has enough stability, it really doesn't need rifling. That first shot with the rifling, you saw how short it went. But this, the bird of prey has, perfect plunger to barrel ratio. Aim a little higher this time. Did you see that? I aimed for the top of the tree, it hit the top of the tree. If we were playing HVZ and these were legal, and someone was sitting on top of the tree, I could nail them. That tree is 160 feet away. One more. Because I love this pistol. I've always loved the Bird of Prey series. Always. Are you ready? Set. Again. Unbelievable. I aimed for that patch of light. I shot a little over that patch of that light over there, but it went exactly what I was aiming for. Exactly. No problem. So some pistols, some things do not need a Merlin. I did supply a Merlin to the last one I built, which was really a short Merlin, but you can see it's great guns. That's 160 feet and no drop. Just no drop, just straight to the tree. But when I fired the first one with the Merlin barrel on it, yeah, it had too much drag. It just doesn't have enough air and power left at the end to throw it through the rifling.
The Nerf freaks!